What does iconic and excellence mean together? Can an iconic moment and excellence in hospitality come together? For a decade, in the heart of New Kolkata, when tradition met with modernity, an iconic moment in hospitality, story of excellence was born. For a decade, a journey of warmth, of welcoming the world to a new side of city joy. For a decade, we've been more than just a hotel. We've been a home, a gathering place, and a stage for unforgettable moments. For a decade, where every smile, every handshake, and every heartfelt thank you, we've built bonds that go beyond the ordinary. Serving a decade of culinary delights that have been a feast for your senses, bringing flavors from around the world to your plate. For a decade, with state-of-the-art meeting and conference spaces, we've set the stage for countless ideas, collaborations, and successes. A decade of being a favorite hangout spot 24/7 for all in the heart of New Kolkata. For a decade, we've celebrated milestones, shared traditions, and created memories that will last a lifetime. As we look back on 10 remarkable years, we thank you for being a part of our journey. Here's to the memories we've made and the many more to come.